Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. You may have to appropriate permission to access them. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your start menu and go to the settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your update and security. After doing this step, go to your Windows security. After that, go to your now you can see that select the app and browser control. After doing this step, select the repetition based protection settings, so click on it. After doing this step, you can see that unwanted ad blocks, wanted apps block, so turn off it. Click on yes button. After doing this step, go to your back and install a specific file or a device whatsoever, any software. I hope this after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.